Earn extra money online in South Africa. Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is an update on my hashing ad space. Hashing ad space is an advertising platform that I use here in South Africa to earn money online. So this is just an update. I noticed today that I haven't made an update for more than a month, and I'm sorry for my regular viewers about that. But for the new viewers that watching this or following me for the first time, Hashing Ad Space is an advertising platform where advertisers and people that want to make money online get together. Advertisers pay for their ads to be shown to us on Hashing Ad Space, and then Hashing Ad Space pays us to view the ads. What I like about Hashing Ad Space is that the advertisers pay, and if you refer the advertisers to the Hashing Ad Space, you get paid 50% commission of that. The other 50% goes to Hashing Ad Space, and then I then go and watch the ads every day, and I get paid for that too. What helps the Hashing Ad Space a lot is that they don't have to generate income to pay us, because they're paying us with Asimi. Asimi is a crypto token that's created on the Waves blockchain, and every day there's about 17,400 Asimi issued, and that is divided among all the people that was willing to watch the ads. If you want to watch ads, you need to stake Asimi in Hashing Ad Space, and each stake is equivalent to $100. So you don't pay in dollars but in Asimi, so you need to buy equivalent number of Asimis to stake, to make that stake. Staking is very popular in the crypto world, and they normally do that to bring stability to the cryptocurrency that you are staking. In this case, we are staking Asimi, and how we get Asimi is we go to the Waves client, or Waves decentralized exchange, and we exchange our Bitcoin for Asimi, and then we move the Asimi to Hashing Ad Space, and then we stake that Asimi. So here you can see my dashboard. I'm allowed to watch 31 ads per day, and that is because I've already made 31 stakes. The Asimi that you use to stake gets paid back to you, so that full $100 worth of Asimi gets paid back to you over 365 days. So for 365 days, I'm allowed to watch 31 ads every day, and I get paid for that. To show you, if you want to stake, then go to the Asimi stake tab, and you'll see currently with the current Asimi price, so the $100 is fixed, but depending on the Asimi price, it goes up and down. You'll pay more or less each day in Asimi. So at the moment, you're going to pay almost 75 Asimi to make a stake. And then as soon as you made a stake, you then allowed to watch an ad every day for 365 days. So here you can see start minting ads. If you click on that, then you will watch an ad for 7 seconds. Okay, here you can see I've already watched all my ads, and they call it minting. So they can see here they say you have minted all your ads for today. So instead of mining, we're basically minting this cryptocurrency, Asimi. And you can see the transactions. We go to wallet and you can see what I'm earning every day. So yesterday I earned 21.977 Asimi. You can see it's the 30th of March, today's the 31st. Tomorrow at 10 o'clock I'll get paid, that's South African time. I'll get paid again, and then it will be added to my balance. At the moment, I'm accumulating my Asimi. I'm making withdrawals, and I'm also buying or staking more Asimi. Initially, I got started with buying quite a lot of Asimi. I bought about 20 Asimi over three-week period. You can see it shot up initially, and then I started making withdrawals, and I'm steadily building up my stakes again. So basically I'm compounding my earnings, what I'm getting from Hashing Ad Space, or what I'm earning every day. If you go to my transactions, and I just want to show you my withdrawals, I've already withdrew about 400 Asimi. There's a pending order here. It takes about 3 working days for it to withdraw the Asimi, and then it goes to my Waves exchange, and in the Waves exchange I can then oh no, I've got the wrong password here. Sorry. In the Waves exchange, then I can convert it to Bitcoin, and then move the Bitcoin to my regular Bitcoin wallet, and then exchange that for rands. What else can if you want to get started, I'll put my link below, but basically it will take you to Get Paid to Watch Ads website that I created. And here I'll just tell you, there's a longer video from Luke Millard, the CEO and creator of Hashing Ad Space and Asimi, and he'll tell you more about the whole program. That's quite a long video, but here you can see how to get started. Here's my referral link. If you join me, then obviously I'll help you get started. Just make sure that it says invited by Colin B. I'm Colin Brazendale, as you know. And then you'll go, then you need to activate your account and your email. Then the first thing that you need to go is to go to the Getting Started tab and watch these 6 short training videos. And then you also need to join the Facebook group, and under Files you'll also see even more training videos. Another place, as soon as you join, if you go to Support and you click on Support, you'll find a load of frequent asked questions being answered here. What is minting? And minting, we're minting ads. How can I earn? And so on. There's also tutorials, video tutorials, and text tutorials that you can go through here. And so there's loads of information or training how to get started, but I will also be available to help you. You can also WhatsApp me, and I'll take you through the process when you get stuck. So yes, so that's the update on Hashing Ad Space and how to earn extra money online in South Africa. If you've got any questions, please comment below. If you want to follow my progress in Hashing Ad Space, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if this video was any help to you, please hit the like button. It will help me a lot and my online business. And yes, so thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.